Take command of the road in the 2014 Volvo XC60. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Volvo prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.